Hey everyone, it's Miss Julie here, and this is a behind the scenes tour of the Glitterbombers High membership. Now, this is designed for kids who are in middle and high school, and that means that this is a kid safe private portal with no ads. No surprises. So at the top here, we're always going to have what bundles are coming up. Make an Impression, Springtime Serenade, Fantastical Journey. We have other ones on here like Ink Your Character, things that are going to appeal to teens and tweens. As you scroll down here on the front page, there are always surprises that we're dropping in the membership, such as this one. And one of the things that we believe in is not just exposing kids to artists out there like the masters, but also people who are creating right now. We want them to feel inspired. So like the illustrator and creator of the popular cartoon Star versus the Forces of Evil, for example, there is an art project showing kids how to create their own digital character in that illustrator style. As we scroll down, every month there is a live art class with me that's about a half an hour, and there are replays. In that art class, I challenge kids to come up with a solution, within some parameters, and any kid who enters into this contest is entered into winning a prize of that month. So that's what this is. If you're wondering why there's a chicken in a tutu, this could be anything. And this goes with actual and implied texture, which was the topic of one of the art classes that we recently did. Next, we have a way for kids to share their art with us. We'd love to be able to promote it. Maybe they don't want to, so it's an optional part of the membership. And if they do, we highlight without name, without age, so they can submit anonymously and they can be surprised when they come into the portal and see their art is chosen. As we scroll down, we have just the basics, of course, things about art supplies, FAQs, replays of the art classes, and then every month there's a new mini magazine for teens and tweens, digging into artists out there with that topic, digging into the topic a little bit further, hands-on activities for them to do, sometimes even quizzes. The next thing up is how to draw and sketching practice, because we know that teens and tweens, I want to learn how to draw this or that. Everything from proportions to magic potions to birthday cakes and trees, and there's new ones added every single month. Then we have our bundles, Heart Squad, Just Chill, The Art of Gifts, with the arrows here that they can scroll through to whatever they'd like. When they find one that they're interested in, they can just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to take them into the lesson itself. There's a video with every single art project, and there's also, it tells them how long the video is. They can mark it as complete, and as they go down, there's a step-by-step PDF, including information about the project. Now, we know that teens and tweens might choose a video, or they might choose the PDF, or they might choose both. So this is a way for kids to create their own way with whatever they feel comfortable. Now, they might not know what theme they want to create. So on the bottom here are the different types of artistic skills. There's drawing, painting in pastels, sculpture in 3D, mixed media, printmaking, digital media, and other. And there's some additional resources for them at the bottom here. So when we release our bundle, we're releasing into the theme itself and also into these categories. So if they're interested in working with Procreate today, they can head straight there. If they're interested in sketching and learning how to draw, they can head straight there. So this is just a little behind the scenes tour of the Glitterbombers High membership. And of course, it comes with a private Facebook community. But if they just want a portal that they can go in and learn how to create, and that's a little bit more than just how to draw, this is where it's at.